sister, elder sister, and Krish and Karan has been, I don't know what to say. I have few words for Karan and then for Krish. Karan is the first born nephew, and he has always been very special because he was very well mannered
And Praveen.
very gentle by nature.
Mark and Praveen.
And,
You're next.
you know,
You're
the
going together.
perfect
I'm going to call
first nephew.
Okay.
Very clean. I mean, he would ask for tissue papers to clean his hand, clean his mouth. Very, very clean child. And, you know, in his early years, he was not much of a talker.
You can say that.
And today, he doesn't stop. He is so curious. He's always asking questions, counter questions, and we don't know. I mean, I feel that, you know, he, all that chatter that he missed in his early days, he's now actually, you know, making up for all that. Vishal did mention about, you know, what he did as a kid. 5 of us were holding his hands, legs and his head just to feed him a medicine. When he was, I think, 8 years old, we were all in Bangalore trying to give him the medicine so that we can bring down the fever. We thought for a second we won the battle, we gave him the medicine, and within seconds he rushed to the bathroom and threw it up. And today he is going to prescribe medicines for thousands of people, as Vishal mentioned. I don't know, how is it, you know, it's an irony that, you know, he chose medicine. The day he chose medicine, he became Dr. Karan for me, Karan Sharma for me. And every time we have a call, I always ask, where is Dr. Karan Sharma? So I know he had gone through a lot. He had, you know, his persistence, his, you know, I don't know. I have no words for him. He's been the best kid we have ever seen, you know, struggling to do things. I wish him the best. Hope he becomes the best doctor in the world. I don't know. I just want to give him a hug.
Thank you very much. Thank you.